everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Bari, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can uninstall apps using WebADB for your Samsung device. So before I begin, I'm just going to briefly explain the following tools you require in order for the process to work. So the following things you will need include a Samsung device of your choice. So as you can see here, for demonstration purposes today, I'm going to be using my white Samsung Galaxy Folder 2. You'll also require an additional USB cable that supports your phone. And of course, last but not least, you will require a computer or laptop. So in this case, I am going to be using my laptop to demonstrate. And as you can see here, the laptop I'm using is the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360. However, any computer or laptop with a supported internet browser such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Opera, etc. will work just fine. And as for the Samsung device, any device will work just fine. Now, of course, there are two additional tools you require for the process, one of which is the WebADB website and also the APK Analyzer app, and of course, everything will be linked in the description below. So without further ado, let's begin. So before you connect your Samsung device to your computer/laptop, the first thing you will need to do is make sure that the developer options are activated as well as USB debugging. In order to activate these specific options, you will need to go into your apps, and then of course you will need to look for settings. So once you find settings in your app drawer, you will need to click and then scroll down until you see an option called About Device. So once you have About Device on your screen, you will need to scroll down again until you find what is called Software Info. And then you will need to scroll down a third time in order to find the build number. So once you have found the build number for your device, you will need to tap this option 7 times until a window appears confirming that developer mode has been enabled. Now, because I already have developer mode on this device activated, there is no need for me to do this. But should in case developer mode has not been activated, you will need to make sure, as per mentioned, that you tap the build number 7 times. So once developer mode has been activated, you will see a setting called Developer Options appear below User Manual. So you'll need to click on this and make sure it is turned on in order for WebADB to connect to your device. Now, should in case you have it turned off and you press the switch to turn on, this window will appear letting you know that the settings are intended for development use only, but you don't really need to do anything, you just need to press OK. So once you're in the developer options, you'll need to scroll down until you see debugging, and you'll need to turn on USB debugging, which is required in order for the device to connect to WebADB. So you simply turn on and another window will appear indicating that USB debugging is intended for development purposes only. And of course, this will inform what it does, but again, all you need to do is press OK. So now that the developer options and USB debugging have been activated, you can now connect your device to your laptop. So now that you've connected your device to your laptop/computer, you will need to make sure that it is added into WebADB. As per mentioned, I will link this website in the description. So in order to add your device into WebADB, you'll simply go to Add, and then a window will appear indicating that WebADB wishes to connect to your Samsung or any other Android device. So once you see your chosen device in this window, you will click on that first, and then of course you will click Connect. You will then click this button again to connect the device to WebADB. Now, of course, this window will appear requesting for you to authorize the connection on your device. And as you can see here, you have a RSA key fingerprint, and this window indicates whether you want to allow USB debugging. In this case, you can tick Always Allow from your chosen computer, and then you will click OK. So now what's going to happen is you will connect to your interactive shell, and you will see this little sign appear, and after this particular sign appears, you are free to type in the command in order to uninstall the app of your choice. So in my notepad, I have a few ADB commands. So you have 3 different commands which will enable you to either uninstall or even reinstall a certain app of your choice. So if you wish to uninstall an app whilst deleting the app data, the command you would type is pm uninstall --user0 and then your package name. If you wish to delete but keep your app data, you would type pm uninstall -k --user0 with your package name. If you want to install a specific app of your choice, you would do the command cmd package install -existing, then your package name. Now when it comes to uninstalling apps using WebADB, you cannot put the actual name of the app. So this is where APK Analyzer comes in, because not only can you view all of the apps that you have, including system apps, you can also view the exact package name. So if, say for example, I wanted to uninstall the radio app, I can simply search for it using APK Analyzer to correct myself. And then the name of the app, as well as the exact package name, which is com.sec.android.app.fm, will come up. So whenever you see the package name below the app name, this is what you have to type. And again, there is a window indicating the package name. And as per mentioned, you have to type in the package name after you type the uninstall command. So once you have found the package for the app you wish to uninstall, it's very simple. So all you have to do is type pm, let me just get this going. So here we go. So you type pm uninstall -k --user0, and then you type your package name. So I'm typing in the package name for radio, which as per mentioned is com.sec.android.app.fm. So this is the way you have to type the command. So as per mentioned, if you type the name of the actual app, then the uninstallation will not work. So once you've typed, you press the enter key, and then success will indicate that the app of your choice has been uninstalled. So if I go into my phone and I look through the app drawer, you can clearly see that the radio app is no longer in the phone because it has been uninstalled via WebADB. The same will apply for any other app, but you need to keep in mind that in certain cases, there are a few apps that you may or may not be able to uninstall because this will either slow down the phone or it may crash the phone. So in this case, I do have a spreadsheet that I found via Reddit, and this spreadsheet highlights every single Samsung app that is pre-installed. So you can refer to this spreadsheet to check whether specific apps are safe to uninstall. And if not, it's best to just leave it as is. Now, of course, you have the commands written down. So not only do you have the uninstall command, you also have the disable command. But keep in mind, when you disable an app, it doesn't mean that it's completely removed. It just means that it's hidden in your phone, if that makes sense. So I hope that I have explained things perfectly for you guys. As per mentioned in many videos where I've spoken, I do get very nervous when talking in front of a camera, and it's because I'm not really used to the sound of my voice, and I'm really trying my best to sound as confident as possible. If there are any instances where you are stuck with any of the steps mentioned, then please let me know. And of course, I will try my best to leave some sort of comment as quickly as I can. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching today's video. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, as the support really means a lot to me. So until next time, I'm going to be off for today, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.